go along with Sony getting rid of physical discs from 2028, this seems rather relevant to talk about now. And as you can see by there, what we are talking about is an Xbox gamer has won his lawsuit against Microsoft because they locked him out of his account and, well, he had digital games. Xbox gamer wins digital library lawsuit against Microsoft. In the wake of all the turbulent news surrounding digital gaming, it's nice to see the little guy winning one against the corporate titans of the industry. In a recent post on social media, one Brazilian gamer revealed that they'd won a lawsuit against the mighty Microsoft to recover their blocked Xbox account, and by association, this is the big one, their collection of digital games. Now, obviously, we have seen recently with Sony saying, you can't have this anymore. We're going to get rid of all your physical discs. If you want to buy them, it'll just be a code. We are going digital. And a lot of us, myself included, I have put out so many tweets showing why Sony wants to do this. And this is mostly because they want to keep that money rolling in. From every single thing that they sell on the PlayStation Store, be it £2, $2, $3, whatever, they still get 30%, no matter what. If it's a DLC, if it's a movie, whatever, you say it, they do it. And obviously, when you look at certain games, I've made I did a video on it here where the other day I actually bought... First one. Yeah, here we go. I bought Battlefield 6, and this cost me $29.99 on Amazon, and it is the Phantom Edition. And if we take a look on the store, it's currently priced at $99.99, $100 still. I saved $70 because it's on physical. This is why it's so important that we need to get all of this done. But as we go on forward, the entire situation is a telling tale of what might be our future, as is indicative of just how easily we can lose control of a digital game library we might have spent years assembling. And it's not just years assembling, it's so much money. And with them saying, oh, you don't actually own them, you're just paying for a license, that needs to change. It really does. But the Xbox account lawsuit paints a dangerous picture. On social media, the user by the name of AutoLiberal posted the outcome of the lawsuit against Microsoft, which was raised after their account was blocked, freezing them out of their collection of digital games. Now, this is where it gets even more interesting. AutoLiberal, he explained that Xbox support function tried to claim that the account had been hacked, refusing to open it back up again, even though they had all the necessary security layers engaged. Obviously, this would be like two-factor authentication. It could be a Face ID, or it could be like a thumbprint if it's on your phone or something like that. And seeing that they were like, no, we're not going to give it to you, that raises an eyebrow. Actually, it's more than just an eyebrow. That raises the entire roof, because they're basically saying, oh, well, we thought it was hacked, so yeah, no. We're not giving it to you back. In a dire twist, it was claimed the Xbox support team suggested the user repurchase all of their digital games. All. That is insane. This prompted them to file a lawsuit with an attorney in Brazil leading heavily on consumer law and seeking to have Microsoft reopen his account. On July the 11th, it was confirmed that they'd won their case, with the court ruling in their favour and ordering Microsoft to reopen the account and grant access to the library. And also, Microsoft owed $400 in damages as well. But it does say that in the post on Reddit, they posted a segment of his legal ruling. Should the debtor fail to pay any certain sum that was the subject of the judgment within 15 days from the final and unappealable judgment of the sentence or ruling, the judgment amount shall be increased by a 10% fine as provided for in Article 523 of the CPC. Going on, and this is what it is. That effectively means that if Microsoft doesn't take action, the fine will increase. And this is what we got by there. And as you can see, it's actually the court filing. And it is all in Portuguese, I believe. Again, I don't speak Spanish, Portuguese, or anything like that. But I do believe it's Portuguese. If I'm wrong, I do apologize. And it's interesting to see because this is what's coming for everyone's future. This is why everyone wants Sony to be like, you got to keep making discs. You have to. Otherwise, we are going to be seeing so many people have this issue going ahead. Hell, you could just be like, oh, I haven't been on it for a couple of months. I forgot my password or whatever. Oh, what is it? Oh, sorry. We can't let you go on. And this could happen. Hell, we've even seen recently that Sony are now saying if you do not log into your account within 36 months, they can actually delete it and delete all the games. That would actually be really insane, especially if people buy games on launch day, which mostly go from 70 to 100 bucks. Hell, we've even seen like, you know, WWE 2K20, well, any of those wrestling games. You've even got the FIFA games, the EA ones. You say you got Battlefield, all these ones, they charge 100 and up. It's insane. But I thought I'd just bring this one out to you because it's actually a really, really interesting thing to see. And to be honest with you, it's scary. So let us know what you think about this down below, folks. As always, my name is Dan. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.